welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Caryn Prince. Today I am going to be giving you a 5-week update on my mermaid braid install. Today actually makes 5 weeks in 1 day, and I'm going to give you guys an update on the hair maintenance, how I feel about the hair, what I recommended, and some more other FAQs that you may want to know. So stick around if you want to know more about this style and how I've been dealing with it, how it's been going. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to do this in segments, and these are some topics that I came up with that I thought you guys would want to know the answers to. So first, let's get into washing my braids. So I did wash my braids twice during this install over the duration of the 5 weeks. I've only washed them twice. I am going to link a wash video of my most recent how I wash my braided styles in the description box. It's the same exact way. The only thing I do different, because this has more loose hair, is just I finger detangle in the shower. Oh yeah, and just really quick, if this is your first time seeing me or your first time seeing this video, I'm going to put the link to the full install for this video in the description box, so please check it out. Okay, so since we just talked about washing, I had got a question. Someone asked me, what am I doing to my scalp? My scalp treatment is the same thing that I do in my wash videos. I don't really deter from that. Every now and then I will go in with the glycolic acid and the oil, and I will do that to treat my scalp just to keep dandruff at bay, because I kind of deterred from my original thing that I was doing, because I ran out of my shampoo and stuff and my scalp went kind of ballistic. So I went and got my regulars that are in that wash video. Watch the wash I can't talk today. Watch the wash video. All those products are like key if you are desperate to try to get away from your dandruff. Please try that out. Maybe only twice did I go in with the glycolic acid and a little bit of oil to deal with my scalp, because I didn't want to put too much oil, because I didn't want to weigh the hair down. Now I know that is not the most healthiest thing for your hair, or that's not a good reason to like not maintain your scalp, but I am not worried about that in the most respectful way. But you can oil your hair. Just know that it's gonna weigh the hair down. Okay, so let's get into maintenance. How do I maintain this hairstyle? Now I have an old video that I always refer to how I sleep at night with my braided styles. I did the same exact thing with this one. So if you want to check that video out, I'll also put an iCard up, and I will also link it in the description box. As far as products, I didn't really put any products in my hair aside from me treating my scalp. I didn't put any products on the actual hair to like keep it looking a certain way, as far as like moisturizing the hair or anything like that, because I really wanted the hair to continue to look full and free and like loose. I didn't want it to look stuck or smashed down together. So the only thing I did use was my dry shampoo. When I would use this, I actually only use this just once right now, because I haven't been really going nowhere like that to be doing my brushing through my hair all the time. But when I wanted to like fluff back up, I will use my dry shampoo, spray it on my brush, and then like gently brush my hair. Section your hair, gently brush, hold it tight, and then break through your hair with the brush. You want to be like really gentle. Okay, so I know this topic is kind of like kind of all over the place when it comes to like these boho styles. A lot of people want to know, am I experiencing tangling, am I experiencing matting and stuff like that? No, I'm not, because of the type and texture of this hair. This is a body wave hair. It's more of a straighter texture. I'm completely aware that sometimes some human hair have different qualities, so I know some may do that even if it's straight, but for this hair I did not experience that. And I feel like when you go with a looser wave or a looser curl or a straight hair, you're going to experience less tangling and things like that. Now as far as matting and stuff like that, I feel like that comes into play. Like, we have to be responsible for our part in this. You can't just not maintain your hair at all. This is loose hair. Even when it's really curly, you have to put in the work to upkeep your hair, just like as if your natural hair was out. You would not just not detangle or not maintain your hair. So don't go to bed at night without your scarf. Don't just be laying on your hair all carefree. It's going to, you know, eventually age the style quicker. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Throughout the duration of me having this style, I probably brushed my hair like 4 times. One thing that I will say, the more you brush your hair, the more you're going to experience shedding. So now that we're on the topic of shedding, I feel like this hair has minimal shedding, normal shedding. Shedding is going to happen. It's the inevitable. You're going to lose pieces of hair, whether you brush it, rake through it or not. It's going to happen, but I don't feel like it's excessive. I feel like it's normal. It's what comes with the style, so keep that in mind. Okay, so let's get on the topic of styling. Now, I don't want to say only, but for the most part, when I braid my hair, I'm wearing it down. So the only styling that I did was the curling video. Again, it's going to be in the description box, and like I said, I absolutely love that. But yes, you can put your hair in a bun. You can style your hair any kind of way that you so please. This hair is not heavy. It is very, very lightweight, so don't feel like it's going to be just like, you know, really hurting your head. It's not. Style it how you want to style it, okay? But for me, I like to wear down. Okay, so as far as how long they will last, like I said, I've had my braids in for 5 weeks in 1 day, and I'm going to keep them in for another week. You can keep them in as long as you feel comfortable to. I personally don't like to wear my styles over like the 6-7 week mark, because I like to get back to my natural hair and kind of maintain, deep condition, and do that type of stuff in between styles. I like to take a break in between styles, and I feel like getting back to my natural hair after that time length is optimal for me. You can go as long as you want. I like to switch my hair up too much to be keeping my hair in for that long anyway, but the choice is yours. Do what works for you. If you're a girly who likes to keep your hair in for 2 months, I definitely feel like you can keep your hair in for 2 months. When I wear my braids, I don't take them down and touch them up. When I feel like it's time for me to touch my hair up, I feel like it's time for me to take this style out. But you know, that's just me. I could do my own hair. For people who want touch-ups, definitely touch up your hair. For whatever case that you want to touch your hair up, touch your hair up, okay? Do what works for you, please. Like, you can see my roots starting to, you know, grow out and stuff like that, and that's fine with me. I like that look. I'll reinstate again that I like the messy boho look. It doesn't bother me that my hair is growing out. To me, it looks more, it gives it that, you know, I don't know, I like that. So do I recommend this hair? Yes, I recommend this hair. This is some beautiful hair, and I'm not just saying that because, you know, I did a sponsored video. This is honestly some beautiful hair. It's kept up really good through the duration of the style. Like I said, it's been 5 weeks and I haven't had any, you know, problems with it. It's really, like, for me, in my opinion, low maintenance. But yes, I would recommend this hair. As always, when I do these videos, please pay attention more to the technique and the information that I'm trying to get to you versus the hair. And I deeply understand and know that when we see something on the internet and we see a specific style, we want that exact same hair texture. And trust me, I've been there. I'm like, no, I want that. But always, if you can't afford something, or if you don't want to spend, always use what you have first. Take out that old wig that you had sitting in the closet. Take out those old tracks that you don't know what to do with, and use that first, please. Okay, you don't have to purchase the hair. Please pay attention more to the technique. I hope this helps someone. And also I will be using this hair again. So when I take this hair down, I am going to be keeping the strands of the human hair. You can reuse it. All you have to do is collect them and then band it really tight, rewash it, soak it in some conditioner, reuse the hair. In my opinion, like with shedding and stuff, you probably want to get an extra bundle just when you reinstall to make sure you have the desired fullness that you want. But if you're okay with just not doing that, you don't got to do that either, okay? But that's just my opinion, just to keep that same fullness that you had the initial time if you want to replicate it. I really hope that I covered a lot of things that you guys may want to know about this hair, and I hope this video helps someone, or I hope this video helps you make a decision if you want to try this style or not. I love this style, okay? Love it. I will talk to you guys later. If you have any more questions for me, please leave your questions down in the comment section and I will answer them, okay? Bye.